Hey healthy junkies, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I'm here today to show you a healthy recipe which you could already see in my video. Guys, please don't fix in your mind, is the ragi chapati? Yeah, it's the ragi chapati but enriched with some other thing, okay? And along with that I have prepared root tuber vegetable curry. To know what it is, move into checking the ingredients. 1 cup of masoor dal, half cup of spinach, 150 grams of sweet potato, 2 tomatoes, 2 chilies, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Before preparing into the preparation of curry, you need to soak, that is masoor dal, red lentil dal, for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to add water and keep it aside. And there is source of protein and fiber, iron fiber. And these are sweet potato. And I could tell you one thing is that in sweet potato is the main nutrition. There is source of vitamin A in which you could not get in any root vegetable or in any fruits and vegetables. Okay. So its percentage is 283% of vitamin A and also a rich source of fiber as well as containing an array of vitamin and minerals. What you have to do is now you have to peel out the outer layer of this sweet potato. Once it is peeled out, you have to cut the peeled sweet potato into cubes. Okay, don't cut it into two small pieces. Let it be of this size as it is displaying in the video. You have to add the cut sweet potato into the water containing a pinch of salt because in order not to get into brown color. For preparation of chapati, I have taken a wheat flour and ragi, where ragi is gluten free and rich in fiber and is a main source of calcium, and wheat flour is the same too, is a good source of iron, thiamine, vitamin B1 and B3. So for the preparation of the dough, you need to boil 1 cup of water or 1 glass of water, okay, in a kadai or in a saucepan. Why? Because when ragi flour is mixed with hot water, it turns into soft dough. So what you have to do is you should add the ragi flour into the kadai and mix it well. See, it looks into very soft, it doesn't get into hard. Even when you knead the dough, it goes into soft. You have to transfer the roasted ragi flour into a bowl, and in addition to this bowl, you need to add wheat flour. So preparing chapati only with the wheat flour is not that efficient. You can fortify or enrich your food by adding nutrients. What you have to do is now add water and knead it well as you prepare your wheat chapati. Finally, it turns into this softness. You could see, right? You have to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes aside. Meanwhile, let us prepare the spinach red lentil curry. So in a kadai, you need to add oil, 2 tablespoons. As you know, in my previous videos, I have been using all the time olive oil. So once the oil is heated, you need to add 2 pieces of or 2 cubes of butter. Once it is heated, you can add pop seeds. Sort it well. Once they're sorted, you need to add onions, followed by chilies. Sort it well such that they have to turn into brown color. Once they turn into brown color, add ginger garlic paste of 1 tablespoon. After 5 to 7 minutes, add cut sweet potato into the kadai, which you have already soaked it. I mean, like you have kept it aside, right, along with the masoor dal. So that you have to add, and along with that spinach. See, spinach is the excellent source of vitamin K, and for the pregnant women, they could get folate from it. And followed by adding soaked masoor dal. See, people or kids will be really tempted to have this. You can add a salt, turmeric, red chili powder. Going for only preparing a spinach curry, even the kid or children will not have, especially when you prepare the or give them ragi chapati, maybe because of its presence of color, or maybe they don't get that much attracted to have it. But when you give like this special curries, they will be interested to have. See, you can add here tomato. And lastly, you have to add. See, when you add tomato, closing the lid for 5 minutes, the water from spinach and tomato draws out, and that will be cooked into this. And once the water is withdrawn, you need to add water. Like, 200 ml of water you can add. That is 1 glass. Give a nice stir of all this. Close the lid for 5 minutes. Sweet potato, really, many people, as far as up to us, even in my home, what actually we do is we just pressure cook the sweet potato by adding salt and just consume it. See, you could see is getting boiled inside the kadai, and water vapor is visible on the lid. Open the lid and check it out. Wow, the aroma is really awesome. And you could see here, after 15 minutes, you could see the masoor dal is totally cooked. And also, in addition to that, when you mash like this, sweet potato is too cooked. Because of that water vapor and the water present in it, it gets easily cooked within 15 to 20 minutes and is a very, very, very healthy and nutritious recipe. So now for preparing chapati, the dough which we have kept aside for 20 minutes, out of from it, do prepare like this into small portions. Okay. You could see how soft they are. So it's better to prepare with the hot water. Roll them and place it on tawa, flip on the both sides and drizzle with a healthy fat, that is ghee. And yeah, chapatis are ready with the healthy sweet potato, masoor dal and spinach curry. This recipe you can prepare in the morning, breakfast, lunch or dinner. Is anytime recipe you could prepare, and is a combo of nutritious with healthy nutrients and vital nutrients to our body. Okay, so whatever the recipes you do, make sure that foods are enriched, or food fortification is the process which is involved in your recipe. Okay, instead of having only one, only one vegetable or else one flour, make it a combo of other healthy foods into it. Okay, so please do try and let me know in my comment box. If anyone else is watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Meet you in the upcoming video. Take care.